Hello everyone, so this is a quick step-by-step video on how we can add an additional user into our Google Analytics account. Now at times it might be a scenario where you would like to add your team members, or you would like to add a third-party person, an agency, or another consulting firm who would like to access your Google Analytics account, understand the data of your web performance, and do some audit into your tracking and analytics. Now for this kind of purposes, how do you add an additional user with a certain level of hierarchy? Let us quickly see how we can add those users. So once you're logged into your Google Analytics account, so analytics.google.com, now once you're logged in, the first step would be to select the right account. Now you might be having multiple website added to your Google Analytics account. Select the right website for which you would like to give the access. In my case, I've selected the right website. Now, once you have done that, scroll down in the left-hand side menu, you would be finding an option for admin. Now, click on the admin in the menu section. Now, once you click on admin, you will have an option for account, property, and this user management. So let's say I would like to give an additional user access to my overall Google Analytics account. In that kind of scenario, I can just click on this account user management and I can add an additional user. Now, one thing to remember over here, if I'm adding someone in this particular account user management, they would be having access to all the websites that are added in this analytics account. In case I would like to give them access to a particular website on my Google Analytics account, in that case, I'll have to select this drop down over here and select the right property, select the right website. So let's say right now I would like to give access to this particular website. I can select property user management, and over here I'll have an option to add a particular user. So in the top right corner you have this plus button, click on this, add user, and now I can add an additional user. So let's say this is the user that I would like to add. Now once you've typed in the email address, the next step would be to select the permission level. So what kind of edits or what kind of data changes that this particular user can make. So let's say I would like this particular user to just read and analyze my Google Analytics data and not be able to create dashboards or edit the different data sets, the different filter options, the different settings of my Google Analytics account. So I can just give an access to read and analyze. In case I would like to give an access to all of this, I can just select all, I can just mark all of these checkboxes. In my case, I would like to just add them to be able to read and analyze my Google Analytics data. So I can just select the appropriate checkbox and then click on this add option. Now once you hit this add button, you have just sent an invite to this particular user, and now once they accept your invite, they will be able to read and analyze your Google Analytics data. Now before you use this particular account user management option, just ensure that you understand the difference between account and property. So if you're giving access to your account, they would be able to access all the websites that are added on your account. If you're giving them access to the property, they would be able to access only that particular property, that particular website for which you have given the access. So yeah, this is how you can just add an additional user to your Google Analytics account. Simple and easy. If you have any doubts, any questions, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much.